So you got to be careful when it gets this frothy. But, and this is crucial, I am not saying get out now. I am not saying sell everything. I am simply begging you to exercise some discipline and sell something because nobody ever got hurt taking a profit. I don't want you to sell everything because, first of all, it's an excellent setup, as they like to say. Sure, the unemployment rate is way too high and COVID's still out of control, even if the numbers are coming down and we're doing much better with the vaccine rollout. However, those negatives are the reasons why the Federal Reserve won't raise interest rates. That means both the Fed and the tape, the action, are on the side of the bulls. It's not even worth fighting yet. I'm just trying to say that you're not a genius if you've made 50% in a month or a week or even a day. You're simply participating in one nutty, unsustainable moment of a part of this stock market. It's not you, people. It's the beast that's making the money, which is why you got to take something off the table. Second, just like in 2000, there's a whole other market that's not reasonably, let's say there's a whole other market that's actually reasonably valued. Let's do that. I'm not always going to say cheap, but it's good. When I was getting my second shot today in a tent in Staten Island, fabulous operations leader spotted that it was my birthday. The staff broke out with spontaneous, rousing happy birthday song. The tears of happiness were this close. They were this close. They're about to flow. So the guy behind me goes, "Hey, Cramer, I never miss you. What do you think of Merck?" I said, "I don't know, Merck. It sells 12 times earnings, doesn't have a lot of growth, 3.5% yield." And I said, he says, "But you want me to stick with the J&J?" I said, "No, I like the J&J, but how about the Bristol Myers? 8 times earnings, 3.3 yield." He said, "I don't know." I said, "Well, how about Walmart? Getting how many?" Walmart. Got his app out. He says, "Yeah, I got to get some Walmart." You know what? That's okay. That's still a good conversation. It's reassuring when people ask me about steady Eddie drug companies and not the froth that it hasn't gotten too insane. That's a good conversation. But when they tap me and say, "Hey, Cramer, how about the flying car stocks? How about space tourism?" We're getting out. The reasonable market is still in charge right now. But sooner or later, at that pace, it's going to change too. Bottom line. Yes, you have to make hay when the sun shines. I want you to do that. Just remember, stocks ultimately are pieces of paper. And Wall Street will keep printing out those pieces of paper until the buyers run out of buying power, at which point the buyers will be steamrolled. We are not there yet. We are not. But if there's one takeaway from the frothometer, we are most certainly headed in that direction.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.